Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, July 8th. We're seeing some partly cloudy skies out there with just a little bit of some low clouds between 1,500 to 2,500 feet due to that onshore flow we are going to be seeing throughout the day today. Could be seeing those low clouds increase just a bit as we go throughout the day, but otherwise remaining pretty similar to what we're seeing right now. Then we're going to be seeing those clouds lower and thicken a little bit as we go late into tonight, and then seeing rain return to the area by tomorrow afternoon, possibly even some heavy rain as well as thunderstorms through at least Friday morning. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we do see a low down here across South Carolina. This low is generating quite a large area of showers and thunderstorms just off the coast of the Carolinas. We are going to be monitoring this low over the next day or two as it continues to slowly move northeast. If it's able to go over the water for a long enough period, it could generate some tropical characteristics as it moves closer to our area tomorrow. So this is what we will be monitoring. And as this low continues to slowly ride the coast northeastward, that's what's going to be bringing us some heavy rain by tomorrow afternoon, as well as a chance of a thunderstorm as well. And that heavy rain is expected to persist through tomorrow evening and into at least Friday morning. Let's take a quick look at our satellite this morning, seeing those little low clouds across the entire peninsula. Excuse me while the satellite updates here. We will go back to that in a second. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, very light flow across the entire column, seeing those southeasterly winds surface through about 12,000 feet, only running around 5 to 10 knots, and then even up towards the 16 to 25,000 foot level as those winds shift more westerly, still only 5 to 10 knots. So extremely light flow across the entire column this morning, freezing level at 15,200 feet. Now let's take a look at our satellite. You see the area of low cloudiness between 1,500 to 2,500 feet scattered across the peninsula here. And then towards the south, you're seeing those showers and storms associated with that low that's just hugging the Carolina coast. And like I said, it's going to depend on if that low can get over the water long enough to obtain some tropical characteristics. Still a lot of uncertainty in that, only about a 60% chance of it obtaining those characteristics by the time it moves up towards our way. And even if it does, it'll still remain very weak, not really presenting much of a wind or a wind issue, maybe except for that chance of some brief heavy rain that we are expecting late tomorrow. So taking a look at our forecast for today, going to be looking at a high of 85 degrees this afternoon. Southeasterly winds will increase by this afternoon to 9 to 14 knots before weakening briefly to 5 to 10 knots near sunset. Overnight, those winds are going to shift easterly at 7 to 12 knots and then increase to 9 to 14 knots and gusty by mid-morning Thursday, with a very slight chance of a shower during that time frame, but only looks around 10% chance. Our shower chances will ramp up though as we get closer to lunchtime on Thursday, expecting another mild low tomorrow morning of only 74 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be expecting clouds to be scattered at 1,500, broken at 2,500 throughout much of the day today. As we go into tonight, we'll see those ceilings lower between around 500 to 1,000 feet, becoming broken at times possibly, especially after midnight. By mid-morning tomorrow, it should be mostly cloudy out there, broken at 500, broken at 1,000, and a broken cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. Still seeing tides slightly above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a look at our weather model this morning to show how that low could be evolving. There it is. This is for this afternoon. It's still going to be hugging the coast between North and South Carolina, generating that large area of showers and storms just offshore. As we move into this evening, it's going to be very slow to move northeast along the North Carolina coast. So we're going to be seeing that slow movement, and then by midday tomorrow, that's when we could start to see some showers pop up and start to move north across the peninsula. Not expecting real high chance of rain in the morning time, but as we get towards the afternoon, rain chances are going to be increasing rather quickly. As we move into late tomorrow, going to see those rain rates increase, especially as we go into Thursday night. That is looking like the best time to see some heavy rain and thunderstorms, as well as some slightly breezier conditions picking up, especially along the immediate coast as we get those easterly winds. And like I said, this is just one model depiction. If this low center happens to move to the east by just a little bit, it could become stronger, giving us even more higher likelihood of some heavier rain as we go late tomorrow night into Friday. This is Friday morning, going to be still seeing some very high rain rates across the area likely as we get precipitable water values very extreme for this time of year, pushing 2.5 inches. And usually 2 inches is very high, so we're going to get some very high moisture values for this system to work with. Some models are showing that this rain could be more north of the area by the mid-morning hours of Friday. Still some uncertainty. We could still be seeing periods of heavy rain throughout the day on Friday, though, and as well as thunderstorm chances. So Friday is not looking like a very good day at all, especially the first half of Friday, where that seems to be the most likely opportunity to see periods of rain. We'll hopefully see these models align so we can give a better timing on exactly when the heavy rain will occur and when it will move out of here, as well as what our thunderstorm chances will be like throughout the day on Friday. As even if the heaviest rain moves north of Wallops Friday, we could still be seeing a lingering um, pop-up thunderstorm for Friday afternoon. That system is going to depart though once we get into Friday night, well northeast of the area, and then we're going to be seeing a front approach the area for Saturday. This little break between the low and the front is going to allow temperatures to really warm up. Expect temperatures in the low 90s across the Delmarva, as well as a slight chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm during the afternoon. But once we get into Saturday evening, we're going to get this front approach the area. Still going to be seeing a very humid air mass out there. That's going to be given some good chances for some widespread showers and thunderstorms late Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. As we go into Sunday, going to be expecting another warm day. Temperatures near 90 degrees. Could be seeing a lingering shower or thunderstorm through the early afternoon hours. And then Monday is looking a lot better. Still going to be pretty warm out there, but things really start to dry out on Monday, so not seeing too high of a chance of any showers or thunderstorms as we go into early next week, but we are going to continue to see some warm temperatures. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, 85 today under partly cloudy skies. Tonight we're going to be looking at a low of 74. Tomorrow we're going to see that onshore flow and cloudiness, so that'll help keep those temperatures down a bit, but it is going to be humid out there. We're going to see those shower chances low early, and then by the late afternoon and evening, we're going to be seeing likely heavy rain and some thunderstorms possibly as well, and especially in the Thursday night. Friday, going to be seeing heavy rain, especially in the morning, as well as thunderstorms. A little bit of a question mark on when that heavy rain will be out of here, but we'll at least be seeing shower chances persist through the afternoon. Saturday, it does look like we'll see much of the day be dry. It is going to be warm out there with a high of 91, and then we're going to get that front moving through late Saturday, giving us another round of some heavier thunderstorms as we go late Saturday evening into Saturday night. Sunday, things will dry out a bit, still warm. We're going to be looking at just a chance for some isolated thunderstorms, mainly earlier in the day, I think, only around a 30% chance. Monday, still can't rule out a very slight chance of an isolated pop-up thunderstorm. It's going to be rather hot out there with a muggy morning, low only getting on a 77 with a high of 92. And then Tuesday, things really dry out. It doesn't look like there's going to be too much of a chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm with a high of 88. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a good day.